They had to have known that this was going to happen to boys like BoJay.
A lawsuit filed today in a decades-old abuse case claims there had to have been knowledge of inappropriate relationships between a staff member at Baptist Hospital and his young patients. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Fox 16 News. I'm Kevin Kelly.
I'm Donna Terrell. The original case was filed back in the 1990s when Robin Hageman pleaded guilty to sexually abusing 2 male patients while working as an administrator for Baptist Hospital. Tonight, there's more to the story as another alleged victim is sharing his story 30 years later. Jessica Rank joins us live at the Pulaski County Courthouse. Jessica.
Yeah, Donna, this is a copy of the lawsuit that was filed today, and in it, attorneys say are letters that prove all of this could have been prevented years before the alleged abuse happened.
The first male adult in his entire life who he learned to trust, who he believed cared about him. And then that guy did this to him.
A testimony from behind bars.
Yes, hi, this is attorney Josh Gillespie. I'm calling to speak with my client, BoJay Lewis.
Today, the alleged victim recounting the first time he met Robin Hageman.
I went to Baptist Rehabilitation Institute between 1991 and 92.
Lewis says he was about 15 years old. Hageman, an administrator at the time, assigned to help the teenager with drug and alcohol abuse.
He soothed me and made me feel like everything was okay.
Lewis says the two became close.
He took me under his wing like a father figure.
Soon buying the teenager clothes, taking him out to lunch and walks off campus.
I didn't really realize that I was ever in an inappropriate situation until I actually stayed at his house.
That was in 1992, and when Lewis claims Hageman sexually abused him. 2 years later, 2 other patients came forward making the same allegations, which ultimately resulted in Hageman's arrest.
This was a guy that had been preying on young teenage boys.
Josh Gillespie, the head attorney on the case, says he has documents proving former Baptist CEO Russell Harrington was aware of Hageman's actions in the late 80s.
He received numerous warnings from physicians, mental health professionals, nurses, staff.
This is a letter from April 1987 addressed to Harrington. It states hospital staff claim Hageman provided his personal phone number to patients, spent an inappropriate amount of time with patients, and even took some of them to his home to live.
At that point, I mean, they pretty much knew.
Another letter dated March of '89 claims an unnamed patient felt uncomfortable with Hageman touching him. All these concerns voiced well before Lewis entered the rehab facility.
He sexually abused him, but he also prevented him from getting the benefit of the mental health treatment he was there to receive in the first place.
Gillespie says Lewis's treatment was sabotaged from the beginning, leading him down a continued path of abuse.
I didn't realize how bad this man had affected me.
Their hope is justice can be served 30 years later. Now, it is important to note that Hageman has since died. We did reach out to Baptist Health, who denied to comment pending litigation. As the very latest in downtown Little Rock, I'm Jessica Rank for Fox 16 News.